Okay, TOUREX Titan Max installed on Honda NC750. Okay, this one have a long mode and a short mode. Gonna demo the light. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is a 2.4 GHz wireless switch. Okay, we try the low beam, dual color. Low beam dual color. Okay, so next we try the long shot. Okay, this is a long throw about 200 meter. On top is a long throw. Okay, so the next mode will be long throw and short throw combined. Same switch. Okay, so this is a combo, long and short combo, super bright. Okay, and the last one is yellow beam. Okay, so now we're gonna demo the strobe light. So press. So got dual beam strobe and flashing, super flash, and dual color. And when turn off, just press double to off the light. Okay, so now we go for rider point of view of the light. Okay, this is a dual white beam. Okay, and this is a long shot, 200 meter long shot. This is a long shot and a low beam combined, and this is the yellow, low and white beam combined. Okay, that's all for today for the light test. See you on the next video.